Hi guys, Dave's here. I'm back up to my grandfather's farm again. This will be part 2 of tearing down part of the old house to reveal the log cabin part. It looks like it might have dropped down just a little bit since I left last time. But I brought an extra chain this time. I'm going to wrap it around. Let's see if we can pull down more of it. Would you look at this? It pulled that window out, the top window, and didn't even break a pane. A couple of them fell out, but they're not broke. Amazing. Okay, before I pull anything else, I've got a few wasp nests up here, so let me spray them before I get stung. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's getting real hot out here and everything. And I've got a lot more done than I did last time. And you can see up there is the log cabin part. That's what I'm gonna try to get to. So I need to tear a little bit more down here. This might even fall down there after I leave. Ain't got nothing holding it up except some of the 2x4s up here. You can see those are actual 2x4s, the old 2x4s. So until next time, thanks for watching guys.